your involvement with us today?
Well, Cullen and Scholefield, we have been working with the Circle of Peers for a few months now, and Maureen asked us to come along and promote flexible working from the legal angle.
Yep.
So we were looking very much at the pitfalls from an employer risk profile, but also trying to look at some of the benefits as well of flexible working, ensure that people are aware that flexible working is something that needs to be within their language from an HR perspective today, and not just something that's unique or something that is a little bit quirky.
Yep.
Flexible working encompasses so many things now, that from compressed hours to term time to part-time, which is perhaps more traditional flexible working, and covers all industries. Starting to cover all sorts of grades as well. So perhaps it was seen as something that, if you're a mum, you'd come back from maternity leave and you'd work part-time, and that was flexible working. It's so much more than that now. And I think that people are getting used to it. The younger generation are actually requesting it as part of their job terms.
Yep.
And, they've got a voice that's being heard.
So you're seeing an awful lot of that, questions about this sort of rising in your world then?
A lot of questions from my world as an employment law advisor. So both
are they sort of preemptive questions? That, what could we do wrong and where do we have to avoid it, or are they questions coming in? We've done it wrong. Oh my God, this has happened. How does it happen to you?
There's a mix. I would say that probably we are receiving more queries in terms of we want to put policies and guidelines in place.
Good.
We want to try and benchmark ourselves with other organisations, because if we're going to win the war for talent, then actually we need to be offering similar type of flexible working arrangements. So from that perspective, there's a lot of preventative action being done. Yes, there will be some employers that trip up, and employees will bring claims against them. But
thankfully,
in the main,
it's a positive thing.
In the main, the tide is a positive one.
Yeah, good.
Flexible working.
And you're getting involved with Cullen Scholefield on this the CIPD Advanced Award in Employment.
Yes, we are. So Cullen Scholefield will be putting together, or have put together. I'm running a session on Tuesday on contracts of employment with Maureen up at the IOD in London, so that we'll be providing again the legal input into the advanced certificate in employment law that CIPD accredited, and which Cullen Scholefield, it's a broader range of offerings that they're putting out there to their contacts in the HR world. So it's a great product.
Nice to see collaboration. It's good. Very good.